No, there's a lot of good assists, but maybe Bardock, but
Alright, so Regulus is playing DBZ.
alright, let's see how this goes. I respect the 18 pick.
Cheezy is playing DBZ.
Man, he's got some insane shield pressure on all these characters.
So, DBZ.
They're just gonna gentleman start, I guess. Oh, Dragon Rush right off the bat. Oh no! Terrifying way to start. Is he gonna go for it? I'm kind of disappointed.
I played both these dudes in bracket. They're both the ones that knocked me out, and they're nuts.
Yeah,
They're good.
I'm like about a Regulus' skill level in this game.
Are you?
Yeah,
Regulus is pretty good.
I used to be really good. I entered fighters and went like last stock, last hit, 2-2 or
Last
3-2.
stock, last hit.
Look,
Smash player.
okay,
Why?
chill on the stick. Regulus trying to mash to get out of that, but not working in his favor there. Oh, the jump over. Oh, stagger strings, Wolfang fist. He drops the block. All right. Scary stuff here. Oh, no. All right. Raw 2H on shield just kind of worked. We don't talk about that. Maybe he was reading. Oh, good DP. And back to neutral. All right, Cheezy getting a good neutral win from across stage. Getting a little bit of damage out of it. Ugh. I don't like that assist usage, but whatever floats you go, man. All right. Shoving himself back in that corner. Nope. Oh. Okay, this is a wonky match, to say the least. Oh, God. Yeah, I would have opted for a Vanish there, probably, if I was going to go for a level 1, but I respect the character swap and getting the level 1 on Gohan, so it was worth in the end. And yeah, that is going to be Goku Big Dead. Yep, using a bar anyways, might as well Vanish, get it over with quicker. Now, Gohan, potential unleashed, level 1. Could it happen? He has sparking. Oh, on Ja? Does he know shield strings? Oh, this is scary. Okay. Yeah, no. Alright. And now, pain and suffering. Oh, yeah, good Vanish. And that beam just barely missing that character swap out, and that should be it. Oh. Miss input, tried to do a level 3. Press F to pay respects. He's just doing it anyways. Please don't. He didn't press a button. Oh, didn't block low. Gohan. Yes, it is. Gohan kind of dummy. Alright, going for this level 3. What's the mix? Oh, okay. Dragon Rush. No tech on the Dragon Rush. Alright. Doable, but very difficult. Yamcha Ki Blast from across the stage. Terrifying. Don't Super Dash. That's what he wants. Oh. Oh. Oh, and that's gonna be it. No. Oh, sliver.
No.
Oh, DP'd. He got a bar. Okay. Character swap. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh shoot. I'm scared. I'm so scared. Oh. Oh. Oh, on God. But he has sparking. We can't remember. If I were him, I'd pop sparking right now, because if he gets touched, he would have died. But, yeah, light beats everything. Let's go, lights. kind of a scary moment there. Almost making a comeback. All right, game 2. Strong start from Cheezy. Getting corner. I really don't even know what to do against that. Like, him just like flying. He just flies and shields. Like, what do you do?
What do you do?
Oh, okay, getting to confirm. How much damage will he get? This is dead. This is big dead. Oh, point character going down early from Regulus. This is a scary situation. I'm pretty sure a similar thing happened last game though, so we'll see how it turns out. Except the other way around. Oh, coming out with the lights. All right. Oh, almost confirmed off of it. Oh, calling out the super dash with the 2H. Oh, Wolfang mix-ups, and he can. Oh, love to see some Yamcha stuff. All right, Spirit Ball into Cooler level 1 is gonna miss. Tragic. Probably wouldn't have even killed anyways, to be honest, but you really hate to see it miss. Oh, good reflect. Punishing 18. Boom. All right. Character swap. Give me all that blue health. Oh, he tried to 2H that, but weird timing. Doesn't work in this game sometimes. It's dumb. Oh, no punish on the DP, sadly. Oh, but calls out that guard cancel. Regulus really coming out here with these dive kicks. Oh, big damage. Probably gonna take the character. Definitely gonna take the character. That's a yep. Double level 1. Yeet. Key blasts. Standard Yamcha neutrals things. See, I would love to see more true block strings coming out from Cheezy because Regulus is kind of just not respecting it and 2L'ing pretty much every time. Oh, all right. Vanish after the DP. Oh, that could have been a big punish right there. There we go. Yeah, if you 2H out of somebody else's 2H, there's pretty much nothing they can do unless they, like it covers Vanish, it covers Super Dash, it covers them doing nothing. Oh, and nobody really has reverse beat except Adult Gohan. Oh, and Cheezy down to only Adult Gohan with the smallest sliver of health. Any touch and he's dead. Doesn't matter if he pops Spark. Okay. DP's in neutral. And it's working. And it's working. Wow. Oh, and he called out the Vanish. Yeah, he's been doing that pretty often. That was game 2. Oh, wait. Oh, it's best of 2?
First of 2.
First of 2. All right, yeah. First of 2.
Shut up. All right.